Hi. In Excel, there are always ways to do things faster. Now, for example, you can click on this and switch between the calendar worksheets and within a particular week's worksheet. So just click on it and it's there. Now, if I want to hide several columns, I can easily do it with, say, example that I'm not interested to see anything before today's date. So I can just select this item here and I go to the data tab and I choose group and I choose grouping. And then I will have this list here and I'll just go there. So in that case, I will just zoom in into just today's and the rest I can just click on it here. But the thing is that I don't want to do that. What what I'm interested is that I want to hide the silver column that is about remarks. So well in that case I can select the column, hold out the control key and select a multiple column that is in adjacent. So yes, that's it, right? I'm selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I right click and I choose hide. Well, not a big deal, right? I can also unhide it by selecting all the columns and then right click, choose unhide. But every time, if I want to unhide the columns, I need to hold out Control key, select the column, and if I have many columns, this will become some time-consuming task, and it's a boring task anyway. So I right click here, I choose hide. Well, can you imagine that I'm going to do this like every single day? And if this thing is going to do this every single day, then I need to find a better way. Okay, so I'm just right. You see that? I'm just demonstrating to you that if you want to do that, right? See that every single morning you open the and then you need to select this column. Okay, I don't need this thing. I just hide it. Or maybe your CEO say, I want to quickly see some data on this selected columns, right? It's always those selected columns. So how do you do it even faster? Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can. This is where you can make use of macro. So let's just click on this button and see how. Oops, look at that. And just click on it here, click on this here, see? Just click on this. That was very cool, right? And guess what? Uh, this is just another reason why you should go to learn VBA. And so how do you do that? Well, basically that I go back to Hawaii and then activate the design mode. So here I can view the code. The code is just simply a line of data here. So less than 4 lines. So I actually don't need this thing here. I don't need this thing here. Okay, so it's really just this. Okay, so this is the code that tells you that I insert a toggle button, and inside that I check whether the value is true. Is true is hiding the selected columns. So we use column E, column G, column I, and column K, M. So you can add more, right? It's separate by the comma, and to represent the entire column, you use a colon E to E, and range as well, right? This is fourth time. So if else, it would be this case. So this is there way to use these toggle buttons. You need to go to Developer tab, choose Insert, and choose the toggle button here. So click on this here and choose here. So we see that that's the one button here. And how do you write the code? So basically, right click, choose Wheel Code, and there it is. So I can just copy this and paste it here. So basically, just type if and else and if. And to run the code, you need to use the depress this the unselect this design mode, and then now we can work on it. Oops. All right, so we seems like we have some issue here. Let's take a look here. Why is that so? Oh yeah, that's because we're at doesn't two, we'll look at this card. So instead of that, we should be checking on the button two concept. Okay, so that's a little bit change. All right, let's just see if that works. All right, see that it works. All right, so let's just clear the design mode, and we can just drag it somewhere maybe here also can, right? And design that, and then you can see that here it works, just like this here. Okay, that's it. That is the code. Less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines, and you can do this like magic. Pretty nice, right? And you can clear this here, and well, you can do the same, right? You want to hide uh, this hidden public holidays. You just want to look at the touch you will. So you can do the same, right? Toggle repeat. So clear it. You have it. You just click. No left. There's a lot of things like that. Right, so this feature can be used many ways. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Aisha. Together